Good afternoon. Would anyone like to notify me of their presence? Hello. Come through my back door, come across my floor to my spirit box if angels exist. Thank you. Well, hello and thank you. I saw you. That was amazing. And I saw you again. Can you do that again for me? Thank you. Can you come across my floor? Come this way in my direction. If you can see me sitting over here. Thank you. Thank you, I saw you again. Am I speaking to an angel? Am I talking to a man? Thank you, I saw you again. Did you live here in this house a long time ago? Was this your house? Are there any children here? Who like bouncy balls? Hello and thank you. If I roll this bouncy ball to you across my floor, see if you can touch the bouncy ball and roll it back to me. How does that sound? Are we ready? Here comes a pink one. See if you can touch this pink bouncy ball and push it back to me. Here it comes. Can you roll it back? Hello, I saw you. Thank you. And here comes a blue bouncy ball. See if you can touch this blue bouncy ball. Here it comes. Can you roll it back to me? Go over to it. Go over to the pink bouncy ball. Can you kick it back to me? Thank you, I saw you. Are there any children here now? Well, hello and thank you. Both doors are shut tight. So, you tell me what I am seeing. Can you give me one more sign of your presence? That would be amazing, thank you. Come through my back door. Come to my spirit box on my floor. Then come to me. Thank you. And thank you. Anybody else? Thank you for talking with me. I don't mean you any harm, as long as you know that.